Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wanting to collaborate with colleagues, classmates, or clients in Figma, but weren't quite sure how to share your designs, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to share Figma files. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the easiest and most secure way to invite others to view or edit your work, whether you're working with a big team or just sharing with a friend. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Figma account. If you haven't already opened the project or file you want to share, go ahead and do that now. You'll want to have your design front and center ready to go. Think of it a bit like having your report laid out on your desk before handing it to someone to review. Organization is key. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the Figma window. You'll see a button labeled Share. It's usually a vivid blue, so it stands out just like those share buttons you see on social media. Its job is to help you spread your work to the right people. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a sharing pop-up will appear. This is your command center for inviting others. Inside this window, you've got two main options. The first is to invite someone directly by email. In the Invite People field, start typing their email address. Figma will often auto-complete if you've shared with them before, helpful if you're working with the same team. When you invite by email, you're sending a direct invitation, almost like handing someone a key to your studio. They'll be notified and given access straight to their inbox. The second option is to grab a link that you can share. Just below the invite field, you'll see a spot that says something like Copy Link. When you click this, Figma generates a unique link to your file. This is perfect if you're sharing in group chats or alongside project management tools. And this is important, before you send that link around, you'll want to check what level of access you're giving. Figma gives you control over permissions right there in the Share window. You'll see drop-down menus labeled Can View or Can Edit, and you can set this for individual emails or for anyone with the link. If you want someone to just look at your design, maybe to give feedback or inspiration, choose Can View. If you want them to actually make changes, move things around, or add comments, set their permissions to Can Edit. Think of this a bit like giving someone a copy of your homework versus letting them write on your original. The choice is yours, depending on how much control you want to keep. Once you've added the emails or set the correct link permissions, just hit the Send Invite button or copy and share the link wherever you want. That's all it takes. Figma handles details like notifications and access in the background. No need to worry if this feels a bit new. You can always adjust permissions later if you change your mind or need to revoke access. And that's how you share your files in Figma. Simple, flexible, and perfect for collaborating from anywhere. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and drop any questions you might have down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Figma tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.